This short video shows you how to lock content in your WebCampus course. The files and folders in a course are visible and accessible by default to all its users. But if you would like to make the content in your course unavailable to students after the end of the semester, the lock feature in WebCampus allows you to do so. Using this feature restricts access to all users except to instructors and TAs in the course. Clicking on any locked content will display a message telling the user it is not available. Begin by entering your course. In a course organized by modules, go directly to the Modules section by clicking on the Modules link on the course navigation menu. Click on the gear icon on the top far right side of the module. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. Place a checkmark in the checkbox next to Lock Module until a given date. In the Unlock At field, type the date of when you wish the module to unlock. It can be some indefinite future time or even the start date of the next semester. Nevertheless, the field will only accept an input in very specific format. Therefore, we recommend using the calendar icon. Click on the calendar icon. Click on the arrows to select the month. Click on the day to select the date. Type the time in the time field. It is optional, however. If it is not selected, it will default to 12 a.m. Click the Done button. Last, click on the Update Module button. The unlock date and time will appear next to the module name and at the bottom of the module. Apply these steps to every module. In a course where the content is not organized by modules, go to the Files section by clicking on Files on the course navigation menu. Locate the folder on the left frame. Single-click on it to view its contents on the right frame. Point to the folder or individual item. Notice that 3 different icons appear to the right of it. Click on the Lock icon. Remove the checkmark in the checkbox next to Lock until I manually unlock it. The Lock Until and Lock After fields will appear. In the Lock Until field, click on the calendar icon to select the date you wish your content to remain unavailable until. In the Lock After field, click on the calendar icon to select the date you wish the unavailability of your content to begin, usually 14 days after the end of the semester. Remember, if a time is not selected, it will default to 12 a.m. Finally, click on the Lock This File button. Locked files and folders will be indicated by a lock on the file icon. Here is a tip. If you have numerous individual files pertaining to the same unit, for example, a quick way to lock all these files at once is by creating a folder and moving this into it. To do this, click the Add Folder link. Give the folder a name, then drag the individual files into the folder. Last, you can lock graded assignments in your course by adding end dates. By using this feature, students will no longer be able to resubmit assignments after a particular date. In addition, it restricts their access to particular assignments after the course is over. Go to the Assignments section by clicking on the assignment link on the course navigation menu. Note that the Assignments section will only display the assignments that count for a grade in the course. Move your cursor to the right of the assignment title. Click on the pencil icon. Click on the More Options button. Next, scroll down the page. If the assignment you are locking is a quiz that has settings that allow students to view their results along with the correct answer, remove the checkmark from the box next to Let Students See Their Quiz Responses. Then, continue to scroll down and over the page. In the Until field, click on the calendar icon to set the date and time in which you wish the assignment to be no longer available. You can assign a date within the class itself or a date after the end of the semester. Click the Done button. Finally, click the Save button. Using the lock feature is a good practice to follow, especially if you have graded assignments that you use from semester to semester. If you have further questions about how to log content in a WebCampus course, call the Office of Instructional Technology at 702-992-2740 or send us an email to nsc.intech@nsc.edu. Don't miss InTech's latest updates and video tutorials. Follow us on Twitter at nsc_InTech and subscribe to our YouTube channel, NSC InTech. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like.